This is Trapper's Avatar, powered by Grown Man Productions, and you have to reach millions. Welcome back to AI Prompt Mastery, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into your most profitable business partner. Last episode, we talked about prompts that save you hours every week, but saving time is only half the game. What if the right prompt could actually make you thousands of dollars every single month? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Because once you understand how to craft prompts that generate money-making ideas, sales content, client proposals, and even digital products, AI becomes more than a tool. It becomes an income stream. And if you're serious about using AI to grow your business, join, like, and subscribe right now so you don't miss a single episode of AI Prompt Mastery. Let's dive in. Section 1, why prompts equal profits? Here's the truth. AI doesn't make you money just by existing. It makes you money when you use it to create value faster than other people can. That value could be a marketing campaign that brings in clients, a digital product you can sell online, a piece of content that builds your audience, a faster sales process that closes deals. And the bridge between AI and that is one thing: your prompts. The sharper the prompt, the sharper the result. And sharper results mean more opportunities to monetize. Section 2, prompt strategy. Number 1, marketing and sales copy. If you run a business, sell a service, or do freelance work, you already know this. Sales copy sells. But writing persuasive copy takes time, unless you let AI do the heavy lifting. Prompt example. You are a direct response copywriter. Write a 3-email sequence to sell product service to audience. Highlight benefits, include urgency, and end with a strong call to action. Why it works. AI is stepping into the shoes of a pro copywriter. You just saved yourself hours or hundreds in outsourcing costs. Upgrade it. Now rewrite each email with different tones. One friendly, one professional, one high energy, so I can A/B test them. Now you're not just saving money, you're running experiments that increase revenue. Section 3, prompt strategy. Digital products. The fastest way to make passive income online is through digital products, things like ebooks, templates, or mini courses. AI can help you create them in days instead of months. Prompt example. Outline a 5-chapter ebook topic. Each chapter should have 3 key lessons and 2 practical exercises. Why it works. You now have a skeleton for a sellable product. Upgrade it. Now expand chapter 1 into 1,000 words with examples, case studies, and a motivational introduction. Do this chapter by chapter, and you've got a finished ebook you can sell on Gumroad, Amazon Kindle, or your own site. Section 4, prompt strategy. Content that attracts clients. Your audience is your pipeline. The more content you create, the more people find you, trust you, and buy from you. AI makes content creation scalable. Prompt example. You are a social media strategist. Create a 30-day content calendar for LinkedIn posts that position me as an expert in industry. Include hooks, post types, and engagement questions. Upgrade it. Now draft the first 10 posts in a conversational tone, each under 200 words. This saves weeks of time and creates client-attracting visibility. Section 5, prompt strategy. Freelance work and services. Not every dollar has to come from your own products. With AI, you can sell services faster. Examples: copywriting, blog writing, SEO, resume rewriting, social media management. Prompt example, resume service. You are a career coach. Rewrite this resume to emphasize leadership, measurable results, and industry keywords. This could easily be a $100 service on Fiverr or Upwork. Multiply that by 10 clients a month, and that's $1,000 in your pocket. Section 6 prompt strat. Idea generation becomes income. Sometimes the hardest part of making money is coming up with the right idea. AI can help you brainstorm money-making opportunities tailored to your skills. Prompt example. You're a business consultant. Suggest 10 side hustle ideas for someone with skills in... List your skills. Rank them by startup costs, time commitment, and earning potential. Upgrade it. Now expand idea number 3 into a step-by-step launch plan with marketing strategy and pricing. From zero to a validated business idea in one prompt chain. If this is opening your eyes to the profit potential of prompts, make sure to join, like, and subscribe. This is just the beginning of what AI can do for you. Section 7. 5 real-world prompt use cases that make money. Let's get specific. 1. Freelancers using prompts to fulfill client work faster. More projects, more income. 2. Coaches using AI to draft lesson plans, guides, and worksheets. Sell coaching packages at higher value. Small businesses automating customer service replies with prompts saves hiring costs. 4. Creators using prompts to batch YouTube or TikTok scripts, faster growth, ad revenue. 5. Online sellers using prompts to write product descriptions, more conversions on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. Section 8. Building your prompt to profit system. Here's the action plan. 1. Pick one way you want AI to make you money copywriting, products, services, or content. 2. Craft a strong prompt using role, task, context, and format. 3. Run it through AI. 4. Refine it. Remember, iteration is profit. 5. Save your best performing prompts into a personal profit prompt library. Over time, you'll have a toolkit of proven prompts you can use over and over again. And there you have it. The right prompts really can make you thousands of dollars every single month. But it doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you know how to guide AI with precision. So, here's your challenge. Pick one of the prompt strategies I shared today, put it into action this week, and track the results. Which one are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. And if this video helped you, join, like, and subscribe to AI Prompt Mastery, your shortcut to mastering AI for business, creativity, and income. If you made it all the way to the end, you're my kind of person. Don't stop here. Check out our other episodes to keep building your AI mastery.
It's the rapper.